Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? As you guys can see by the title of this video, I will be discussing another green beauty product. I'm in the process of trying to transfer or change over all of my beauty and skincare items into more healthier alternative, more green beauty products. So I'm here to try another product that I bought to see how it performs. How does it work? Does it work well? Is it a staple? Should I now use this as my green beauty alternative to the conventional type? And is it good for beautiful brown beauties or women of color like myself? Because that's one of the issues that I've been having trying to transition my makeup over, is where I don't find much green beauty products for women of color. So that's my mission right now. The 100% pure mattifying primer with vitamin and antioxidants. This primer, from the reviews that I've seen, is like the A-list, the top of the top, the primer of all primers. I need a primer that can keep the shine at bay for at least most of the day. If it can do it all day, even better, but for at least most of the day, I'll be very happy. The primer that I used to use before was either my e.l.f. primer or my favorite was the Becca. It says Becca with the good hair. My niece wrote that. Silly. But the Becca Matte Poreless Primer, that one is bae. So now let's see if I can find happiness similar to the Becca in the green beauty world. It's a silicone-free primer infused with skin plumping seaweed collagen, makes cosmetic application flawless and last. Seaweed collagen is the feature ingredient in this product. Why this product is so popular, because the seaweed is supposed to help your skin while at the same time help your makeup to last, while at the same time give you that silicone feeling without the silicone. Fills in lines for smoothness while keeping excess shine away. All skin types who desire a long-lasting makeup application that minimizes shine. 100% natural, 100% vegan, and it is also cruelty-free. It is a cardboard box. You open it like so, and the actual primer is inside. This is the actual primer. Has a pump. It is a glass container. You get 1 fluid ounce. Now the price for this on the website, I believe it is $45. However, I would recommend that you buy this on sale, because I didn't pay $45 for it. I paid, I believe it was $27, because they had a sale which brought it down to $36, I believe, and then I had a coupon code which I applied to it, so it brought it down to $27. And on the website they also have free shipping and free returns. So I think I got a pretty good deal for only $27 when it's originally $45. So if you're interested in purchasing this primer, I would recommend that you wait for it to go on sale. Being subscribed to the 100% Pure newsletter, they have sales quite often. So just look for when they have this on sale, and then you can probably find a coupon code somewhere on the internet to apply it and get yours for $27. So it is a clear consistency, and let's apply it. Oh, it feels so smooth. As I'm applying it, you guys, it feels so velvety smooth. It feels like it has a whole lot of silicone in it, but it doesn't. First impression is, oh my gosh, it feels so smooth. Like, it just feels like butter. Like, it just feels like velvet. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really velvety smooth. Like, oh my gosh, I am impressed by the feeling so far. The scent is very light, has a little bit of fragrance to it, but a tinge of seaweed, but it's very light, hardly noticeable, but it does have a smell. But the feeling feels light. So this is how the face is looking with just the primer. So far, so good. So now let me do more of my face and then I'll come back. I've done so far is done my eyebrows, and you guys know eyebrows is something that I need a lot of help with. I struggle the most with my eyebrows, But that's not what this video is about. So I did my eyebrows, did some color correcting, and a tad bit of under eye concealer. Not much. I don't like to do much of that. But this is the face so far. Now today I'm going to use my usual Bare Minerals Matte Mineral Foundation, and I use this a lot when I'm doing makeup demos, only because this is really my everyday foundation, especially when I'm going to work, so I know exactly how it behaves on my skin. Definitely tell you the comparison where if the primer is good or not, because I know how my skin usually would behave with this foundation. Makeup is applied completely. This is the look I came up with, plus I got nowhere to go, would be around the house, so I did all of this whole beat just to stay in the house. But I'm doing it to see how this product perform, because even though I'm going to be in the house, I'm going to be cleaning like a mad woman. I'm going to clean the bathroom, I have to get rid of some clothes in my closet, my son's room. I'm going to be doing like a lot of scrubbing, a lot of cleaning, and it's really hot today in New York City. So this is how it looks so far. If you guys are up close. Now the last step for me to do is just basically, you guys know the deal already, drench my face with my rose water, and this just helps to set my makeup. And I do mean I drench my face with it, but by the time it dries, it gives me like a nice even matte look, but not too super dead matte. I mean, I want to look dead. I look like I'm alive and living and breathing, not that dead look like I'm in a coffin. No. Now that I sprayed my face, give me a few hours and I'll come back and check with you guys how the makeup has lasted so far. Now it is 11:14 in the AM, and I will come back in a few hours to give you guys an update on how the makeup is lasting. But this is it so far. Face is still wet from the rose water, but this is it. Okay, you guys, so I'm back for my final checkup and my thoughts on this primer. Right now it is 5:27 in the afternoon, and this is how the face is looking. So let me give you a close-up. I put this primer through the test, you guys, and I think I did the most. I did more than an average person would with a regular use, because in a primer in a regular use, you put it on and you work throughout the day. But what I did was I cleaned the house, I cleaned out my closet, this is a kicker, I baked a banana bread. So you know, you put in and take it out of the oven, that heat from the oven is hitting your face. So I was baking bread, and then after that I just went to pick up my son from school, and I walked. Instead of driving this time, I walked. It is hot outside and I'm sweating. So between the baking and the cleaning and the walking in the heat to pick up my son from school, I feel I put this primer through the test. As you can see, I do have sweating in my T-zones, which is where I sweat the most. So it is kind of shiny in those areas. But like I said, I think I did the most with this primer today. And honestly, I would definitely repurchase this, because even though I'm sweating in my T-zones, all I would need is one blotting paper, and for me to blot only one time for the day, I think that is awesome, because before I would have to blot 2 or 3 more times. And I didn't start getting the sweating in my T-zones until after a few hours, until I started to really bake. So that, I would say, is awesome. It's a good thing. So let me blot and I'll show you guys how it looks. This is how it's looking after I've blotted away the excess oil. But honestly, I would personally repurchase this myself. I think it's worth it, because if I wasn't doing those extra stuff, I don't think I'll be as oily and as shiny as I was. So for it being an all-natural, a vegan, a cruelty-free, a plant-based, silicone-free, and healthy for your skin because it has seaweed collagen primer, it takes the cake. All the reviews were right. Now, I didn't say it kept me super matte, because as you guys can see the results for yourself, but the makeup stayed in place. It did not slip and slide and move around on my skin. It stayed in place. just got a little bit of shine, but it stayed in place. And all I needed was one blotting paper, and to me, with oily skin, only having to blot once is a dream. I would give it a thumbs up. Definitely would repurchase it again. The only thing though is I'm not paying $45 for it. Next time I repurchase it, I am going to wait until it goes on sale again, like I said, and get it for my discounted price. In the next video, I might do a battle where I can put this primer on one side and my Becca with the good hair on the other side of my face, and compare to see how they battle it out. So that might be a good next video to do. But yeah, like I said, I absolutely love this primer. Not because it's not a sponsored video, you guys know this. This is bought with my own money, my own coins. I work, I have an everyday 9-to-5 job. I work. This is how I buy these products. So I'm reviewing them honestly, telling you what I think, how they work on brown beauties like us, like me. So I would recommend this primer. I would use it. To me, it's definitely a great switch from conventional beauty over to green beauty. This would be a big hit for me. I would definitely use this one. The only negatives is the price point, and I would like to be a little bit more matte. But like I said, I did put this through the test, and it stood the test. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this video was helpful to someone who's trying to switch over to green beauty and was looking to get in a primer. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media sites. Everything is at KayaJourney. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support on every one of my videos. Thank you. And like I say in all my videos, enjoy your journey. Bye.